Analyze the stoichiometry of the reaction. Review the balanced chemical equation provided in the problem description. Cu plus 4HNO3 gives Cu. Number 3. 2 plus 2 number 2 plus 2 H2O. The stoichiometric coefficient in front of solid copper, Cu, is 1, and the coefficient in front of copper, 2. Nitrate, Cu, number 3, 2, is also 1. This indicates a 1-to-1 molar ratio between the reacting copper metal and the dissolved copper, 2, nitrate product. Determine the moles of copper metal in the original sample. Because of the 1:1 stoichiometry, if the reaction produces 0.010 moles of Cu, number 3, 2, then the amount of copper metal that reacted must be exactly equal to that value. Moles of Cu equals moles of Cu, number 3, 2 is equal to 0.010 moles. Calculate the mass of the reacting copper metal to convert moles of copper to grams. Multiply by the molar mass of copper. Cu approximately 63.55 grams per mole. Mass of Cu equals 0.010 moles times 63.55 grams per mole equals 0.636 grams. For rapid mental math or scratch work on the calculator-free multiple choice section, rounding the molar mass of copper to 64 grams per mole yields a very close approximation of 0.64 grams. Calculate the mass percent of copper in the original mixture. The original sample of the metal mixture, containing both copper and aluminum, had a total mass of 2.00 grams. Use the mass percent formula to find the percentage of copper by mass. Mass percent of Cu equals mass of Cu over total mass of sample times 100%. Mass percent of Cu equals 0.636 grams over 2.00 grams times 100% equals 31.8%. Select the closest match among the options. The calculated value of 31.8% rounds perfectly to 32%, which corresponds to option B. The correct answer is option B, 32%.